What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. We have benzene group and we have hydroxyl group, so it means that we are dealing with an phenol. So if you want to number them, this one is going to be the first one, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I can say that's going to be 2,4-dinitrophenol, because we have two nitro groups, so that's why it's going to be dinitrophenol, and it is on 2 and 4. The reason I start with 1 here, because we need to start for benzene group, we need to start carbon with hydroxyl group, so we need to start in this side, not the other side, because we have more substituents here. So we go this way, that's why we have 2 and 4 in here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.